Hi, in this video today we're going to talk about how you can use REVLOCK and Chargebee in test environments to test your specific use cases. Um, what you need for this is access to your test environment in Chargebee and access to your test environment in REVLOCK. This is available to you, these environments are available to you once you get into the implementation phase. Also, what you'll need is a connection between Chargebee and REVLOCK established. To create this connection, I have a guide video that is in the description. Please follow it if you're not connected the two environments yet. First thing that you would want to do is to clear the environment as you want to start with your own use cases. So for that, what you do, you go into settings in Chargebee, configure Chargebee, and go into delete or repopulate test data. Say delete all data. Confirm. This deletes all your data, including your products, your customer, your subscriptions, anything that is in your test environment. Also, what you want to do is you want to go inside REVLOCK and clear environment in REVLOCK. So what you'll do, you'll click on the environments at the top. On your test environment, press clear. Okay. All right, so both your environments are now clear. What you need to do is you need to go back in Chargebee and enable Time Machine so that we can travel back in time and simulate a new subscription that was created 6 months back. So for that, what we'll do, we'll have go to settings again, configure Chargebee, and find a tile right up top here called Time Machine. Okay, we'll keep going until it's right here. When you click on it, you can say check it out. It will pop up this window and will ask you to go back in time. What they have available by default is 6 months. You can change it to 4 years, 18 months, 1 year. We'll keep it 6 months for now. Enter Time Machine. That's a warning that all your data is going to be deleted except your product catalog. You can say click, and there we go. We're traveling back. All right, so now as you see at the top, you're now traveled back in 6 months. So as far as the system is concerned, your current date is December 4th. What we'll do is we'll go into the products and create a new product. Actually, first we have to create a new family. Let's say name it demo. Go into plans, create plan, annual 1 year SaaS, done. Okay, we'll give it 1 yearly pricing, say $1,200, and let's say it will be renewed forever because it is auto renewal. Let's say create. Okay, so now we have one product, annual 1 year SaaS with the yearly pricing set at $1,200. Let's now go into customer and create a customer. One, call customer Acme. Add the card so it does not fail when sending the invoice out. It's a test card that I just added. Okay, so now we have the customer, we have the payment card. Let's create a subscription. Plan, there's only one plan, there's only one currency, there's only one billing frequency, which is yearly. Let's sell it as a list price, which is $1,200. We say start immediately, so it's starting basically on December 4th. As you can see, that's where we are on Time Machine. And we say that it would be forever as we want it to auto renew. And that's it. So let's create. Great, so now we have a subscription that is active. What we'll do is we'll move the Time Machine all the way to today. So what we just simulated is we were in December 4th, we moved all the way to current, which is June 4th, and now what Chargebee will have is one invoice, $1,200 that was sent in December 4th. But let's switch to REVLOCK and trigger the sync. So what you do is on the left we have these navigation items. you want to, when you log into REVLOK, you'll be presented with the dashboard, which obviously will be empty when you start. You have to go in sync, and then there's this fourth option, connect to other systems. You click on it. As you can see, invoices is already green. That means it's already connected. Go into it. Connection with Chargebee established. We'll click on these three dots and say run job. This triggers a sync job between Chargebee and REVLOK. This will take a minute. I'll be back once it's done. Okay, so the run is now completed. What we'll do is we'll go back and look how the data looks in REVLOK. So close. There's one job that we just created. This job is successful. It shows the data is already available. We'll click on customer, and we see here there's one customer, Acme. Let's click on it. This is general information that comes directly from Chargebee. An ID and name is the only thing that are populated. In sales order, you'll see that one subscription that we created now has a reflected sales order in REVLOK. Let's go into the sales order. Okay. First panel is showing you the general information about the data, about that subscription. What's the total price? What's the total? What's your order number, order name, and all this stuff. In sales order item, you have a 1 year annual. You know that product is there. Open it, you'll see that it knows the delivery start and end date to be 12 months because that's what we configured in Chargebee. So this is the contract view. You can go into revenue arrangement and see how REVLOK processed this order to create a revenue plan. Opening the revenue elements, you see three columns here, the sale price, standalone price, and revenue allocation. Since there's only one item, there is no revenue reallocation here. What REVLOK also does is create the prorated plan for the full 12 months. So if I click on it, you can see it started back in December and went all the way to December of 2021. If we click on these three dots here, you can see it starts on the 4th of December, almost full month, and then going into the next year. Okay, so yeah, so what we demonstrated is how to connect it, how to actually create a use case in REVLOK, in Chargebee, and make it sync into REVLOK. Once you're done testing one scenario, you can do the exact same thing again. You can click on these three dots right here in Chargebee, say start afresh, enter time machine. And it would again clear the whole environment except your product that we just created. Same thing in REVLOK. You go in REVLOK, you click on here, three dots, clear. This will clear the REVLOK environment. When you go into sales order and refresh, there'll be nothing here. Okay, I hope this explains how to test the scenarios that you have. Let us know if you have any questions. We'll be glad to answer them. Thank you. Bye.